From the moment you walk in to Accelerate Computer Training or join a class remotely, you will feel cared for, like the trainers here are invested in your success at learning to use today's powerful software applications to their fullest potential. From the warm greeting you will receive, to the relaxed, comfortable environment, the high-quality equipment, all is designed to eliminate distractions and help you to learn easily. Since 2002, Accelerate Computer Training has provided hands-on, instructor-led computer training in Southern California. Each class targets a specific level, beginner, intermediate, or advanced, of a popular software application. Most classes include a detailed course manual that's yours to keep. Classes range from 3 hours to 3 days in length. No more than 9 people attend, so you get plenty of personal attention. And our trainers are experienced at clearly and patiently explaining the software they teach, even the difficult concepts, making them understandable and instantly applicable to your work. At the end of each class, you will receive a handsome certificate of completion showing that you attended the class. Afterwards, you get 30 days of free phone or email support in case you have questions regarding the topics covered. And you may retake the class for free as many times as we run it for a full year. We are confident that live, hands-on training is the most efficient way to learn. Let our trainers get you up to speed on today's powerful software applications. Register for a class today. Hello, I'm Tim Jones, founder of Accelerate Computer Training, and I just wanted to add that during the COVID-19 pandemic, we encourage you to consider attending our training live from your location through Zoom, a feature we've offered for years. However, if you prefer to attend in person, we've implemented state-mandated measures for everyone's safety. By limiting the number of in-person attendees in each class to 4 instead of 9, we can ensure safe distance between learners. We also wipe down keyboards, mice, workstations, and common areas between each session, and ask students and trainers to wear masks. We will get through this. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you in class soon.